Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Robo Thoughts, the most interesting series on Linux terminal using Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, so we are on lesson number 2, and I'm going to show you one more command called basically listing the hidden items in your Jetson Nano. Alright, basically, there is a command called period, it's called a full stop, it's like a dot, right? You need to put a full stop at the start of the file or any directory. Okay, directory is nothing but a folder in Windows, but in Linux it is a directory, or inside a file you need to start with a dot, okay, before you assign any name. For example, any directory or a file starting with a dot will not be seen unless you request for it. Okay, so let me show you how that particular command looks like. Alright, so let's see. I am on my terminal, so this is what you're going to look at. For example, ls, what's happening? Alright, yeah, ls dot a. Okay, sorry, ls minus a. All right, can you see that? So this is the command you're going to use. It's called ls minus a. Okay, minus a. So here you can see all the files which starts with a dot. For example, .ice, .cache, .music is a .local, .nv, .cache. All these are directories, right? And the files are in white color, .bash history, .bash logout, whatever, right? You can create multiple. I'm going to show you how to create and stuff like that. So this is how this command is basically used to list out all the directories and files which starts with dot. Okay, and this command is called ls minus a. Right, on the terminal, when you type ls space minus a, that's where you can see this. Alright, guys, so that's it for this particular lesson, and I hope you enjoy. I am going to come back to you soon in the next command. Bye bye.